Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best drones for aerial photography and videography that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Autel Drone Robotics Evo Max 4T. Experience the future of drone technology with the Autel Drone Robotics Evo Max 4T. This cutting-edge UAV boasts an incredible array of features, including 4 cameras in one, visible, zoom, thermal, and laser, providing unprecedented versatility. With a 50MP 8K camera, 1:160x super zoom, and a 640 by 512 high-resolution thermal sensor, the Evo Max 4T captures stunning detail from great heights. Its 16.4 to 3,737 feet laser range ensures pinpoint accuracy. Equipped with a Mesh 1.0 networking and Skylink 3.0 for 20 km transmission, it's perfect for public safety, search and rescue, inspection, and firefighting missions. Autel's Moonlight Algorithm 2.0 guarantees exceptional performance, while robust data security keeps your information safe. Moving on at number 4, we have DJI Air 3. Elevate your aerial photography and videography game with the DJI Air 3 Fly More combo featuring the DJI RC2 screen remote controller. This drone is designed for adults and boasts medium telephoto and wide-angle dual primary cameras, capable of capturing stunning 4K HDR footage. With a remarkable 46-minute maximum flight time and a 48MP camera, you'll have the freedom to capture breathtaking shots from the sky. Plus, this combo includes 2 extra batteries, ensuring you can extend your flight sessions without interruption. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, the DJI Air 3 offers unparalleled versatility and quality in a compact and user-friendly package. At number 3, we have DJI Air 2S. Introducing the DJI Air 2S, a cutting-edge quadcopter UAV that redefines aerial photography and videography. This sleek drone features a 3-axis gimbal camera, capable of capturing stunning 5.4K video with a 1-inch CMOS sensor for unparalleled image quality. Safety is paramount with 4 directions of obstacle sensing, ensuring worry-free flights. Enjoy an impressive 31 minutes of flight time and 12 kilometers 1080p video transmission range, allowing you to explore further and capture breathtaking footage. Take advantage of Master Shots, an intelligent feature that creates professional quality videos with ease. At number 2, we have DJI Avada. Introducing the DJI Avada, a groundbreaking first-person view, FPV, drone UAV quadcopter that takes your flying experience to new heights. With its 4K stabilized video and super-wide 155 degrees field of view, you'll capture stunning aerial footage like never before. Safety is a top priority with a built-in propeller guard, ensuring protection for both the drone and your surroundings. Experience ultra-low latency HD transmission, allowing you to immerse yourself in the FPV experience. The DJI Avada is equipped with emergency brake and hover capabilities, providing peace of mind during flights. In sleek black, this FPV drone redefines the way you see the world from above. And finally at number 1, DJI Mavic 3 Classic. Unlock the sky's creative potential with the DJI Mavic 3 Classic, now available in the DJI RC Fly More combo. This exceptional drone features a 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, delivering breathtaking 5.1K HD video and unrivaled image quality. With the added bonus of 2 extra batteries, you can extend your flight time to an astonishing 92 minutes. Plus, the Mavic 3 boasts omnidirectional obstacle sensing, ensuring safe and obstacle-free flights. Whether you're a professional videographer or an aerial photography enthusiast, the DJI Mavic 3 Classic offers an unparalleled aerial experience. Elevate your creativity and capture the world from a new perspective.